Saturday today. Just resting. So, nanood ako ng Wednesday. Nanood ako ng episode 60 ng It's Okay Not to Be Okay. Ayan. Inaantok na yung mata ko. Screen time po more. So, after 5 days of working hard. Wow! Sabado na. Papahinga naman hanggang bukas. Pero, for sure, napakabilis lang nitong weekend. And then, Monday na naman ulit. Guys, gusto ko lang pala i-share to sa inyo. Binili ko to for my tutoring sessions and for my kid. Ayan, maganda siya. For sorting, good for sorting and sensory. Kasi meron to siyang pen. Wait, papakita ko. So, meron siyang pen, magnet. Ayan, tapos gaganyan mo lang. Mga beads. Ayan. Good for kids, guys. Lalo na sa mga toddlers. Ito yung the best na laruan for them kasi matututo sila. Ito yung salugan, guys.